What's up guys, welcome back to TechWave. And today, I know it's been a while since I've last uploaded and there's been things going on. Like I came back from Alberta, so it took a while for me to get used to it. My room's a mess right now, so that's why I'm filming on the ground. I don't even have a setup. But I saw this deal on Amazon where this Cyberpower PC was going for $1,500 and it's rocking an AMD Ryzen 7 3300X 3.9 gigahertz 16 gigabytes DDR4 RAM, AMD RX5700XT RG 8 gigabytes that RAM. And I thought to myself, you know what, why not try it out? It doesn't seem too bad, and I read a lot of reviews. There are some PCs online that you should be avoiding, that you should most definitely be avoiding, but I didn't really see that many problems or like big huge issues with this one. So yeah, let's get right into the unboxing. All right, so let's get right into the unboxing. Got that side, and let's go. Okay, there we go. Let me just put the knife aside. Here we have the inside of the box. So it's protected well with foam. See what's over here. We have the LED keyboard that they promised. We'll take a look at that later. You can see it's not actual mechanical skills, but it's like they're membrane keys that feel mechanical. So if you don't have a keyboard, this is a pretty good beginner keyboard to start out with, I would say. Put that to the side. Anything else inside? I don't think so. So I think what's left is the PC. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this on its side and then bring it out. Get closer. So if I flip it upside down, hopefully it doesn't fall. Let's and there we go. Let's put the box to the side for now. This is their gaming mouse that they advertise with it. Take a look at that later. Side. And this is the PC itself. So right now I have it flipped the other way. So let me just correct that. Flip it the way it's supposed to be. And let's take a look at the accessories it comes with. So in this bag over here, let's open it. We have power cable. This is a 650 watt 80 plus gold EVGA power supply. We have what appears to be some Wi-Fi antennas, so that's good. Plus we have the quick start guide, basically telling us to take all the safety equipment out, making sure all the cables are connected, that it didn't get disconnected during shipping, connecting our display, connecting our peripherals, making sure it's set to 115 watts, all that good stuff. And let me just put that to the side. Assembled in the USA. Get a free gaming mouse pad when we register, so that's pretty nice. And yeah, let's get right into the unboxing of the PC itself. So the packaging was pretty good, feels pretty solid. Flip this, try to squeeze it out if I can. There we go, we have it out, and I'm trying to peel off this paper, this plastic covering at the top. Let's see how it goes. It has little legs at the bottom, so it's cooling that goes on. Keep it. Oh, just felt a static shock there. So that is the PC, guys. So remove these thumb screws and take out this tempered glass. So that we can take out all the cushioning that's inside. Just slides, picks right up. Screen. We have all this inside that we move, and let's take a look inside. So over here we have the 5700XT by ASRock. We have the Cooler Master radiator. We have these 120 millimeter fans. Now I know I heard a lot about all these fans being only exhaust only for these pre-builts, but I'm gonna have to see if if that's the same. I can't tell right now because this is my first PC, but I'll see, and if need be, I can just switch them around. That's not really a huge problem. Everything looks clean. All these thumb screws, we have screws over here properly, the CPU inside. And let's take a look at the back. We have this read before removing. Do not connect monitor here, see below. So saying to connect monitor, saying to not connect the monitor on the motherboard, but to actually connect to a graphics card. So we gotta remember that. Peel that off. Oh, there's a little stain there. We have 2 USBs. We can't use that. Ethernet, another USB. We have 2 more USBs up top. The power button. We have the on and off button for the power supply. And let's actually take off the side panel to see how that is. So we have screws again, the side is over here. We can take off thumb screws, so that's pretty nice. So let me just screw this off. You never want to screw them in too tightly to actually ruin something. We see we have an exhaust over here too, so if we buy more fans, we can always hook up another fan. And let's see, that came off fairly easily. See how this one comes off. If this just slide up. Give me a bit more trouble. Oh, I think. Alright guys, give me a second, I'll figure out how to take this out. So all I had to do was slide it out, and it was just giving me a bit trouble because it was the first time. Yeah, so this is what the back of the PC looks like. See, we have all these cables over here, zip ties. It's not the best, but it's not bad either. We have the 80 plus gold EVGA 600GD power supply, and like they said, we have to make sure that all these cables, all these things are properly connected. So with the GPU is properly connected, fans, everything in the motherboard, nothing is disconnected, and it looks good to me. So yeah, once I start using this PC and boot it up, I'll be sure to review the PC and let you guys know how I feel about it. Are pre-builds actually worth it or not? Are they a scam? Because I've been seeing a lot of things like some of them are scams, some of them are good. So I'll be sure to let you guys know that. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment down any of your thoughts below. And yeah, see you guys later. Bye.